To download the Gemini mobile app, start by accessing the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store, while Android users will use the Google Play Store. Open the App Store and use the search function to find the Gemini app. Type Gemini into the search bar and select the Gemini mobile app from the search results. Once you have found the Gemini app, click the Get or Install button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to enter your password or use Touch ID or Face ID to confirm the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After the download is complete, click the Open button to launch the Gemini app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. To create an account, select the Sign Up option and follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to you by Gemini. To log into an existing account, select the Login option and enter your email address and password. You will then be prompted to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Once you have logged in, you will be able to access the full range of features and services offered by the Gemini app. Take some time to explore the app and familiarize yourself with its layout and functionality. The Gemini app allows you to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency, as well as track market prices and trends. To get the most out of the Gemini app, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your account information up to date. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Gemini support. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use the Gemini mobile app to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio.